Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're unlocking the secret to managing a crucial part of your household budget, your Colorado WIC benefits. We're going to figure out exactly how to check your balance effortlessly, literally right from the smartphone in your pocket, turning your grocery trips from stressful to absolutely seamless. Let's be real for a second. Have you ever felt that sudden spike of anxiety right at the checkout line? You know the feeling. You're standing there, scanning items, and suddenly, panic sets in. Do you actually have enough benefits left for that exact brand of milk? Are those specific black beans even covered this month? You're swiping your card, the line behind you is getting longer, and you're just praying it goes through. It's incredibly stressful, right? Well, what if I told you that you never have to feel that checkout line anxiety again? In this explainer, I'm going to empower you with the exact digital solutions you need to check your balance anytime, anywhere with total confidence. Okay, let's dive into this. Here's our roadmap for today. We'll quickly cover understanding Colorado WIC, the tools you need, a step-by-step balance guide, some pro tips for WIC shopping, troubleshooting common issues, and then wrap up with next steps and a quick disclaimer. Section 1, Understanding Colorado WIC. You know, it's absolutely amazing to see the sheer scope of who this program actually supports. It's not just for moms. It serves pregnant women, dads, grandparents, and foster parents raising kids under the age of 5. And with benefits ranging from free, healthy food like fresh fruits and veggies to breastfeeding support, pumps, and personalized nutrition education, well, tracking these resources properly is absolutely crucial to make sure your family doesn't miss out on a single ounce of support. To really get a handle on this, we need to quickly demystify some terminology. Colorado uses a system called eWIC. Basically, this is an electronic benefit transfer system that issues your food benefits directly into a secure electronic account. When you're standing there at the store, your physical eWIC card works exactly like a debit card. Faster payment, way fewer checkout errors. But honestly, where things get really convenient is when we link that physical card directly to your smartphone. Section 2, the tools you need. So let's open up your digital toolbox. There are two very distinct apps you're going to want to get familiar with, and they have two totally different jobs. First up is the Wix Shopper app. Think of this as your primary retail tool. It's exactly what you'll use right there in the grocery aisle to check your real-time food balances, scan barcodes, and even find recipes. On the flip side, we have the EBT Edge app. This one is your financial control center. It's built for high-level account security, letting you do things like freeze your card, change your PIN, and review your transaction history. And this brilliantly illustrates your different verification pathways, depending entirely on your tech comfort level. If you're a big fan of apps, WIC Shopper just needs your Colorado WIC agency setup and your 16-digit card number. For the heavier security of EBT Edge, you'll need a user ID and password, or even biometrics. But hey, what if you have zero cell service? No problem. You can rely on the IVR phone line for an offline balance check, which literally just requires your card number. So you've got solid options based on whatever works best for you. Section 3, Step-by-Step Balance Guide. Let's get your shopping companion, the WIC Shopper app, totally set up. Step 1, open up the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and download WIC Shopper for free. Easy enough, right? Step 2, and this is absolutely critical. When you open the app, you must select Colorado as your WIC agency. This tells the app to load Colorado's specific list of approved products. Step 3 is registering your card. And finally, Step 4. Just tap the My Benefits module right there on the home screen. Boom. Your current and future WIC benefits will automatically pop up in real time. So the crucial point here is that number 16. During Step 3 of the setup, you absolutely need the 16-digit primary account number. It's printed right there on the front of your physical eWIC card. Pro tip, just have that card right in your hand when you sit down to register the app, and I promise you'll breeze right through the whole process. Now, setting up EBT Edge is just as simple. You download it from your app store, create a secure user ID and password, and then link your eWIC card to the account. But check this out. A highly practical feature here is Step 4. If your phone supports biometrics, you can enable Touch ID or Face ID. That means the next time you need to check your balance or verify a transaction, you don't even have to type a password. You just look at your phone or tap your finger, and you are securely logged in. Game changer for sure. Section 4. Pro tips for WIC shopping. Okay, I am super excited to share this highly practical feature with you. The WIC Shopper app actually utilizes your phone's camera as a barcode scanner. When you're wandering the store, just scan a product's barcode. The app instantly cross-references the Colorado approved product list against your exact remaining balance. It literally tells you on the screen if the item is WIC approved and, more importantly, if you have enough benefits left to actually buy it. Talk about eliminating guesswork in the store aisle. To manage these benefits like an absolute pro, you really need to know the rules. First, WIC benefits expire at exactly 11:59 p.m. on the last day of the month. And listen closely to this. Unused benefits do not roll over to the next month. If you don't use them, you lose them. To help keep you on track, the WIC Shopper app has a really handy purchase history tool that lets you review your last 3 months of redemptions. Oh, and here's a super clever offline trick. Every single time you shop, your paper receipt prints your remaining balance right at the bottom. So just snap a quick picture of that receipt with your phone camera. Now you have a perfectly accurate, completely offline backup of your balance saved right to your camera roll. Section 5. Troubleshooting common issues. All right, let's talk troubleshooting. Have you ever grabbed an item that you were 100% certain was WIC approved, but the app or the register just stubbornly rejected it? Well, the WIC Shopper app has a brilliant feature designed specifically for this scenario. It's a button literally called "I couldn't buy this." If a product fails at checkout, you just tap this button to report the item directly to the program administrators so they can fix the state database. By using that button, you are literally helping improve the entire system for everyone in Colorado. How cool is that? Now, what if you're deep inside a massive grocery store and your cellular data completely drops out? The apps are just spinning and won't load. Do not panic. You can always call this toll-free number, 1-844-234-4950. That is Colorado's automated phone line. You dial it, punch in your 16-digit card number, and the system will literally read your balance aloud to you right over the phone. You can even use this same number to quickly reset a forgotten PIN if you ever get locked out at the register. And hey, remember our Financial Control Center, the EBT Edge app? This is your ultimate secure safety net. If you lose your card, you don't have to stress and wait until Monday morning to call the clinic. You can freeze your account immediately, right from your phone. If you're traveling, you can activate an out-of-state blocking feature to prevent fraud. You can securely reset your PIN in a matter of seconds, and if you're looking over your history and suspect a store made an error, you can even submit a transaction dispute directly through the app itself. Section 6. Next steps and a disclaimer. While this explainer covers all the fantastic technical tools and methods available to you, it is important to remember that program rules and approved foods can definitely evolve. You should always rely on the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment, the CDPH, or your local WIC clinic for the most official, up-to-date program changes. And hey, if you found this breakdown helpful for managing your household budget, please take a quick second to like this explainer, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other families who could really benefit from these tips. You've got the apps, you know the exact steps, you have the offline backups, and you've got the troubleshooting tools. You are completely in control. So now that you hold the power to check your balance anytime from anywhere, how will you plan your next stress-free grocery trip? Get out there, maximize those amazing benefits, and shop with absolute confidence. Thanks so much for learning with me today.